Hi, I'm Faith, and today is day 6 of Flylady's beginner baby steps to getting your home and life in order. Today, we need to make sure to read our post-it notes, which is to get dressed in the morning, to be kind to ourselves, taking small breaks throughout the day, and to make sure to have a clean and shiny sink before bed. Today, we're going to start a new baby step, which is to find our hotspots in our home, which is any surface that collects random things. I personally have few hotspots in my house. One is the kitchen counter, where we put our keys, mail, books, and just random clutter. Another hotspot is my work table. I usually just set things on my table, whether it's my laptop, chargers, books, and just other random things. Then my kids see the big pile of stuff on the table, so they think it's okay to put their favorite toys there too. So the hotspot gets bigger and bigger over time. Today, we need to set a timer for 2 minutes to put things back where they belong from the hotspots. You can repeat the 2 minutes hotspot clean throughout the day. The timer just helps you to focus on the task without feeling so overwhelmed getting everything done. Just set it for 2 minutes, and when the timer goes off, you're done. Do this every day, and your hotspots won't stay so hot. Click the like button if you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more homemaking videos. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.